Innovative CAM software from companies like DP Technology, Murata, Plethora, and many more are being built using Hoops software development toolkits. Hoops allows you to quickly add critical data access to your existing CAM application or to build a next-generation application that supports manufacturing workflows of the future. Using Hoops Exchange, you can enable your users to easily import over 20 CAD file formats. Hoops Exchange provides rich data access to exact BREP surfaces and accurate product manufacturing information, PMI. With many organizations adopting model-based definition as part of their workflows, rich and accurate access to PMI is more important than ever. This rich master model is used throughout the product lifecycle and enables intelligent manufacturing decisions. Hoops Exchange also provides access to CAD feature trees, hole and hole pattern definitions. When coupled with PMI, this rich information can help automate tool choice. Using Hoops Exchange, your application truly becomes multi-CAD enabled. No matter the format, you'll have fast and accurate access to the CAD data. Fast and accurate multi-CAD support is the first step for a CAM application. Additionally, market-leading companies like DP Technology, Mastercam, Meisler, and many more use SIEMENS Parasolid solid modeling kernel as the backbone of their software. Parasolid can be used to do everything from optimizing the part for manufacturing without referring to the original CAD system, to adding full CAD system functionality to your application. Exchange includes a tight integration with Parasolid, which was developed in collaboration with Siemens. This integration allows developers to import rich CAD data for reuse within Parasolid. 3D printing is becoming increasingly more popular for both rapid prototyping, but also for creating hard-to-machine production parts. New processes are being developed that aren't just subtractive CAM or additive, but a combination of the two. Polygonica from MachineWorks is a mesh processing software toolkit that allows you to quickly add mesh modeling capabilities to your application and prepare parts for 3D printing. Check out Hoops Exchange and our other software development toolkits to help you build your next generation CAM software. Request a 60-day evaluation from TechSoft3D.com today.